Design is the essence of every industry. Otherwise, सब लोगों ने लूज डायमंड पहनते हो, अब या पॉइंट्स पहनते हो. Why are we converting into design? Because design is the base. Imagine if all of you decide to remove the buyback. Jewelry is the only luxury item which has a resale value, high resale value, and high buyback. That is what you are saying, resale. And this is what I had learned when I was in Japan. Since I knew Japanese, instead of speaking it in English, I tried to speak it in local language. It connects more. It connects more. There are certain industry words which are very local, which are easy to connect. Don't give up. Never give up. We should try. But don't try every now and then and say, no, only 6 months, it's not working, let me do another thing. For any idea, it takes 9 months to get out of your mother's womb. You can't say I am still 100% ki jagah 200% of nutrition and you should come in 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Why are you taking it? You will be called as premature. Right? So you have that period gestation like in your life. You decide that. And for any industry, it is minimum 2 years. It can be 3 years also. It can be 1.5 years also. But don't give up on an idea for 2 years. Read the thumb rule. So my name is Kalyani Deshpande, and currently I am running my brand Expressions by Ka, which is still like a very exclusive brand based on Japanese aesthetics. So to make a business successful, we need to balance all the aspects. As he rightly said, my family does not have a business background from generation. The minimum qualification in my family is PhD. And I was odd man out. Doing BCom, some Japanese, but learning that Japanese took me to what I'm here today. While telling you this, whatever you can learn, keep learning, seeking for the knowledge. And once you get that knowledge, you never know how you can make it into asset and come to the position in future. So mostly I think many of you are already in the industry, gems and jewelry industry, probably working on having business. Some of you are new entrants. Why specifically probably mention that I am from non-background? If a person like me can be successful, I think everybody here is the future of this gems and jewelry industry who can be successful. So the best part of our industry is we are very happy industry and we are very rich industry. Okay, you do small thing, you are going to be rich. None of the world. The second most important thing is it's a happy industry. You give jewelry, you make jewelry, most of the time or all of the time for happy moments, good moments. You give on only good occasions. Right? आज मैं बहुत गुस्से में हूँ, इसलिए मैं ज्वेलरी दे रहा हूँ. Right? So we are lucky to be in this industry. Now today, whatever knowledge box you have got, you should be able to turn it into an asset. If you get that channel, connect channel, to make that knowledge into asset, you are going to be successful. It's that easy. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam spoke. Anyone knows related to this knowledge and practice? We always used to talk about it. Knowledge makes man perfect. Knowledge makes man intelligent. Today you all are in. Now, practice. Practice makes man perfect. Okay? So if you practice whatever you have learned, one day you are going to be perfect. Perfect does not mean 100 out of 100. Perfect means successful. Successful in your own terms. Matching the puzzle. Finishing the puzzle should be your target. Okay. Today I have made a small PPT. Okay. maybe it looks dry, maybe most of you know it already. I don't know how many of you are actually from the jewelry industry. Are you making jewelry? Any of you in the factories? You are working in the factory, jewelry? Yes, yes. Okay. Some of you are only dealing in loose diamonds or loose color stones, manufacturers or wholesalers? Yes. Anyone from the retailer side? Okay, so you are having shops, correct? So these are the entities of a pyramid of our jewelry industry, right? And there must be a jewelry designers also. Design is the essence of every industry. Otherwise, सब लोगों ने loose diamond पहनते हो. अब the Japanese पहनते हो. Why are we converting into design? Okay, because the design is the base. Still, do we value designs today? Retailers, everyone wants designs. Do we pay for design? So, the future of this industry, we all must think collectively how we can give importance to the jewelry as a pricing here also. Okay, so let me start the life of a jewelry design. What is the life of a jewelry? It starts from the idea. You get the ideas from nature. You get the ideas from nowhere. From nowhere, right? And then you start putting it on paper. Paper से आप जाते हैं CAD में. Correct? You go so you think the jewelry design is done over there? No. So what is extra in jewelry design? So whoever is doing this jewelry design, what is this extra? Let's say you are perfect in drawing. You are perfect in getting, you want to decide a rose flower. You designed it. But what is the ultimate goal? When will you be happy? Will you be happy if you can design it amazingly? If you design it perfectly?
Should be able to make it.
We should be able to make it. Okay, great. So that is practicality, yes.
You should add the personal touch of the client to it.
Correct.
Client had.
Correct. So when you can make the client happy, the person who is going to wear it is paying the price, and the price is not paying the price, but the desired price by you, and he is wearing or she is wearing and being happy about it. So then that circle is complete. So this was designed to deliver. That's your cycle. So what are the things that come in the delivery? Okay. So this is just a basic casting process. Okay, in any jewelry manufacturing, maybe some of you are from the nose diamond industry or color stone industry and must be wondering why I'm showing you this presentation. Okay, but what is the final knowing of any raw materials of diamonds and color stone? Can they sit lying in your stock? No. The final target is to make a jewelry, make it into a beautiful jewel piece. Correct? Only those pieces which cannot be converted into jewelry are exceptional. But 99.5% of the stones have the target of getting it into jewelry. Are we okay? Are we yes? But are we no? Yes. Okay. So here there are two types of jewelry productions. One is a very handmade jewelry. All countries have. We also think that we are the best in handmade. Okay. But what are we good at? We are good at making Bengali chittas, but not Cartier panthers. Okay? So a jewelry designer should concentrate on what my client is want. Bengali chittas are equally beautiful. They are very good. But what my client is wanting is the most important thing. So whenever you are designing a jewelry design, just don't throw your ideas, but put them into a box, create a limitation problem, and the target is client. Here, target is not you. When you are trying to practice, you can be boundless. You can draw anything, try whether it is possible or not. But when a client is there, you should do in the box design. And there are different parameters. Okay. So the first thing after the paper, you go to the 3D designs, which are CAD. I think GRA is also conducting CAD courses, right? So very interesting. And then it is the other one, then it will 3D bags, casting process or investment courses is called. Once the casting is coming, the diamonds and color stone people come on. ये use करो, ये use करो. Jewelry designer is saying use 1 carat. My diamond person is saying no, not 1 carat. 1 carat is 20% more. Please try 90 cents. I have a lot of stock of 90 cents. So please use that. Okay. So there also, who is the anchor? Jewelry designer. He should make the design before, after getting the information from this raw material people. Diamond people are always wanting to sell a lot of diamonds. Okay, that burden is always going to be there. I'll give you one example. So when I was working with Rosy Group, I used to work in their Interworld factory in C. And suddenly one customer returned pearl from jewelry. What is the jewelry called as? Anyone? Oil gold. Okay, oil gold. They became dead stock. Correct? Gold का value आ गया, melt कर दिया. Diamonds बच गए. We had bought it for a specific client. So we could not use it for any other client. What to do with that bulk?
Gotta remove it. You gotta remove the you're going a little fighter, different bio.
You know how the Life of Jewelry project came up few years back? Maybe a decade or 2 decades back. I don't know whether some of them were not born works. Okay? If you see the journey design that we promoted, it used all seam surveys because the jewelry that was piled had all seam sizes. Now we cannot use only a certain design. If you know, if you can Google this journey design, you will find all seam sizes were used in the same design. So basically, even if you are buying a star knot or a mini rod, you can use the complete thing. The worry of a raw material vendor is always piling up the stock, which is going to lie with them years after years. And here the jewelry designer can help them coming out with the beautiful designs and using that piles. So this is how we need to do it in collaboration. We need to do the raw material people can also think of it. Right? How to use the dead stock. How to use the dead stock. Now the same thing is with color stones. So here there are so many factors again about the breakage, the loss, correct? And then you decide how much, as you said rightly, how much yield you are getting, correct? But again, against the price. When you convert these lows into jewelry, many of the factors go away. Okay, why everyone is trying to make those into jewelry? Because jewelry has the plus over lose. Okay. Now he is saying what is the buyback. Imagine if all of you decide to remove the buyback. Jewelry is the only luxury item which has a resale value, high resale value, and high buyback. That is what you are saying, resale. Take any other luxury industry. Name an industry. Automobile. BMW 5 Series model. If you want to go from 5 Series to 7 Series, how much premium are you paying? Double. You don't say chassis is same 80%, 100 design बड़ा हो गया, you are using the same leather, आधा मीटर ही ज़्यादा डाला है, इसका क्या कॉस्ट होता है? Why?
That's the same thing that's still at the web.
Why? Isn't it a luxury industry? Jewelry is not a luxury industry. What does it symbolize? James and jewelry, since generations, probably that is the oldest industry. Human civilization, जो statues निकल के आ रहे हैं, कपड़े कम है, jewelry ज़्यादा है.
This that is okay.
They are the symbols of your position in the society also. It's always been a luxury item. High-yielding resale value. But again, what do we ask? When we buy any jewelry, what do we ask? कोई कितना जा रहा है? Diamond क्या clarity है? Nobody is ready to buy it as a jewelry piece, as a luxury piece. Then who is the culprit? We, as a whole of industry. You go to any other country, we don't face this issue. I have lived in Japan for 10 years. We have never sold per carat GH color. Client क्या बोल रहा है उसके पास $10,000 में मिल रहा है तो 9,990 में क्यों दे रहे हो? Okay, so these standards we have to decide and maintain. So collaboration is important. We are believing in competition. That also price competition. We need to cut this. We need to be collaborative. We need to come together. And for them, that is why institutes like GI is a platform. Rappaport is a platform. Right? They give you the standards. We need to maintain those standards. We can concentrate more on quality, but for price we can give one because it's a luxury item. The second day you try to sell your new BMW 7 Series, what will be the price? Down, down, take any luxury item. Take Louis Vuitton bag.
70%, 80%.
Exactly, you go in pawn shop. Okay, how much price did you get? But the same people coming to you after 10 years with gold, भाई आज गोल्ड का भाव 10% ज़्यादा हुआ, डायमंड का तो हमने 60,000 रुपया दिया था, आज तो 80,000 मांग रहे. Okay, so this is how the jewelry industry has been, but it can change. It will change. Why? Because no business can live without making profits. Correct? Now, the introduction of these standards will bring you to speak about truth and demand profits. There is no need to hide on your heritage, on your making. नहीं ऐसे ही होता है, यही सबसे अच्छा है. We can give the best and ask for the best. Maybe you need some patience, but we will get it. We will get it, and I'm the live example. I'm not saying in the air. We stick to our principles and we will have our clientele, and luckily, as I said, we are a rich industry. We will be very rich. We are going to be rich, don't worry. So I'm not precisely you the detailed process of jewelry making. We want me to no. Yes. Even if a single person says yes, I'm going to sacrifice others' time on that.
Yes.
So you all read one to everyone. Okay, so I'll quickly move you. So this is a casting process, casting process where you make it's like a tree, okay, with the branches. So there is a pipe, which is a resin pipe, and you stick the trees with a if you can see, this is called as sprue. Okay, which is a branch to the main stem of the tree. Now here again, when you are talking about the jewelry industry people, this is why this is called as investment process. Anyone? This process of casting is called as investment process. What can it be? Can you observe and tell me? What I am doing? I am making a wax model. I am joining a sprue. There is a tree, resin stem, and I am attaching those sprues and creating a tree-like structure. And I'm calling this as an investment process.
This is where you're going. This is important to the designers because they draw a lot of things, drawing. And then when you do this process, it's not possible. You draw very beautiful. Oh yeah, but cast it now.
Yeah.
You can't cast it. If we can't get the angles, you can't get the curve.
Correct. So you divide the design into such parts that those parts can be put it into investment. You need not have the complete piece on the casting tree. So that is another beauty you can learn in CAD. Right now we are just learn how to draw a design, a 2D design, right? Or 3D? 3D also there or 2D? 3D. Oh, so the perspective from the tree. Okay, we are pink. It is you are going to get the final piece. Right? So maybe this done. So it is like a 3 gram.
Ma'am, this is the step where you put in the metal.
Correct. Correct. You can see that resin is getting converted into metal. Okay, so you are creating this resin tree and in furnace, you are going to put the metal in the cavity, right? So just to get a 3 gram ring, imagine how much extra gold you are putting in. You have to put extra for the tree, for the stem, for the base, for the screw, that branch attachment. So even if you are having a 3 gram of gold, okay, as your final output, you have a basic 200 gram of investment in it. How many of you know this? Okay, but if you know this, you can price it accordingly. Because there has to be a proportion of investment in your pricing. We don't know. I don't know, many of them, पापा ऐसे करते हैं, उसके ऊपर 10% चढ़ाते हैं, जो लॉस बोलते हैं, इसलिए और बोलो, you think it's a profit? No, it's not. 10% is not your profit. It's your investment. हर बार आपको उतना गोल्ड एक्स्ट्रा डालना है to get that ring. Okay, so that is one part of it. Then you are cutting and then you are finishing. कोई भी चीज आप फिनिश कर रहे हो, आपके घर में फर्नीचर बना है कभी? ओके, खिसता है, खिसता है, पूरा पूरी कहाँ जाती है? कलेक्ट तो कर डस्टबिन में डाल देता है. After doing this process, after that 3 days, what we are doing? Cleaning. My pocha not even. Okay, still we are getting the dust in the house. Imagine you are doing it with gold. The process is there. Gold powder निकल के जा रही है आपकी. How much you are trying to recover? Anyone has seen the factory? A luminary factory? Yes? Right? So there are supports. Suction pumps. उड़ के तो हवा में भी जाने. हम सुन रहे हैं उसको. Correct? That is loss, recoverable, unrecoverable. And then I'll tell you a funny story. In Rotebro in Japan, these mats are there or the carpets are. How many of you have seen these factories burning these carpets? Yes? And doing what? Why? Imagine the dust from the dust that they collect from years more than the cost of it and changing it every year. Right? So that is a gold recovery. But again, there is a component in your pricing that comes from here that you are incurring some loss. Every time. You cannot recover 100%. Okay? Do you know what is the current rate of recovery? Current rate of recovery of any product.
30%.
30%. What do you mean by 30% loss or 30% recovery?
30% recovery.
30% recovery of how much loss? How much loss you think can you allow? Send it. 10%. Why 10%? Because that's the standard that we allow. Okay. That you charge your client 10%. If you charge your client 10%, it should not be more than 10%, right? The current standard is 2. I'm giving you this secret because if your factory is getting more than 2% loss, you should put measures of correction. Immediate. You can come to me later. Okay, so now our product is ready. Product ready हो गए. बहुत खुश है आप. Pricing perfect है. ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट आया है, हटके डिजाइन है. क्या करें? बेटर है?
Decline to be better.
What? चेक हो रहे. चेक हो गया, क्वालिटी चेक हो गया, क्वालिटी चेक परफेक्ट हो गया. सो देयर आर टू क्वालिटी चेक्स. व्हाट आर दोस टू क्वालिटी चेक्स? एक तो रॉ मटेरियल का, बराबर है, जो बोला है वही रहा है कि नहीं, पैसा है वो ब्रोकन हो गया है क्या, राइट? इफ इट इज ब्रोकन, सो raw material related quality checks. There are other quality checks which are product related. Yes. So we map in the raw material. If the raw material is passed, then we are putting a quality check on the overall product. That is check pass. Is that sufficient? No. How many of you say yes? The product is ready. Don't think too much. What is your heart is saying? अरे मैंने प्रोडक्ट बनाया है, अच्छा रॉ मटेरियल है, क्वालिटी चेक, आई एम सॉरी, क्वालिटी चेक इज पास्ड, देन स्टिल व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? ब्रांडिंग, मार्केटिंग. व्हाई इज अ प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट स्पीकिंग फॉर इट हेल्प? नो. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू से यस? नो वन से. Okay, so मैं कितना, however good design, however good I can make, what I need is certification. Okay, branding is all right, but I need certification of authentication. Right? All industries have. How many of you know that there is in the furniture industry, there are fireproof doors and they also get certification?
Yeah.
You know that? Do you demand? Do you demand certificates? You go to the vendor, he says authorized certified dealer. You just look at it and then what else? You buy. Okay? No, you don't. You see the seal on the door or whatever is the furniture, and you say, okay, this seal. So certification is needed. Certification is needed. It can be your private certification or it can be a third party certification. Okay, so it can be hallmarking. Hallmarking is only restricted to the metal. Okay, so you need jewelry. If it is a jewelry, you need IGI or some labs, some third party or GI is there for loose diamonds, for solitaires. Okay, now there is one more surrogate baby that has come up. What is that? NGDs. You know about the NGDs? QEDs? Lab-grown diamonds? Correct? So you all being new certification. Correct? You have course for NGDs ones.
We covered in the GD was green out the button.
Okay. So this is the final touch. Here, the feeling the product, you make it beautiful. And then you have the different parts outline. Without packing, पकड़ के हाथ में तो नहीं देते हैं, ऑटोमोबाइल से ये चाबी दे दो ना, you have to make it look beautiful. Correct? So these are the simple aspects. Choosing the right store. Okay? Designing. For example, you have a very pretty piece of ruby. Let me give you one quiz. You have a very pretty 7-carat old Burmese red color ruby.
Okay.
What kind of setting do you want for that throw?
Put
The post secure we see, but it has to be secure also. Yeah, it will be better. No one asks me whether we have inclusion sufficient or not. Okay? If we have a crack on the side, so these important parameters come only when there is a jewelry to be made. Otherwise, it has its price. Because inclusion is so natural that what a seller is that does mean that these inclusions are there, that's why it is natural. Correct? That's why this is the price. But when a seller wants to sell that jewelry piece, he will say, I will not set the base of 170. Correct? From jet. It will break. So prong is the correct answer, otherwise also, because it will enhance the beauty of the whole piece. But these are the parameters that we need to understand while choosing the gemstone. Choosing here are just written choosing gemstones, but choosing everything. It is selecting. More than being the perfect designer, what is important is merchandising and making it compatible, making it sellable, because that is our final target. So make it sellable. Once we have got this beautiful piece, now let's come to the sale. Here again, I'm giving you a story, a small story. I have a small foundation called Marsha Sanskar Foundation, where I concentrate on students, children from 8 to 80. Now, I work for an institute for drug addict street children. So, to create the confidence in them, we ask them to make this quilling and paper packets and envelopes. And then beautiful, stunning. Now what? I have files of 500 packets with me. Then I rented a stall in one exhibition and made these children stand there and ask them to sell these packets. We advertised that these are drug addict street children in a rehab. So living a normal life itself is a task for them, and they have made them beautiful pieces. Clean part. Was the prices 100 rupees, 200 rupees? Oh, they were very reasonable. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, maybe instead of 5, 10 rupees, double the price. When the buyers were entering, they were appraising, oh, how beautiful this is. When it comes to buying section, how many you want? Next time. So out of 500, they could sell only 50 envelopes. Compare ourselves here. It's not easy to sell any product. However beautiful it is, however branded it is, and is there any easy way? There is no easy. We should have patience, consistency, hard work. That's all. If you don't give up, you are going to be success. Why? It's because we are rich industry. We are a industry. We are going to be rich. Yes, we are going to be rich. Remember, everyone likes to be rich. Money, but we are not rich. We all got it. Okay, so here, I think we have got time over the presentation. Anyway, about that sales marketing, I didn't see it here, but it's okay. You can see what I explain. So, how sales and marketing? How we are going to do the sales and marketing actually of the product. Some of you have the channel of retailers. Some say we don't worry how the final client wants. My next client is a wholesaler. So I'm interested in selling it to a wholesaler. The wholesaler says, I don't care final client. I'm going to sell retailer. If he is going to give me timely payment, then I'm ready to sell him at the lower prices. This is the finance game. Remember, we are classy industry. Richness does not come with peanuts. Of course, they may, because chai ke saath, along with tea also it comes. People can be rich. But still, how many of you think that the top brands have excellent design out of the box? This is rightly says one. Because of the branding policies, correct? They are able to fetch the higher price. The point here, the most important thing is whether they are making profits. See, we believe in making profits, or we believe in making net. That is the decision that you have to make. I made that decision few years back to earn money first. I started my expressions by car brand very recently. Till then, I was a manufacturer, I had a factory, I worked, first I worked. Then I was a manufacturer, I had my own factory where I manufacture. Then I thought that's a finance game. In the morning it's written down, how many production, how many kilos. In the evening I'm checking how many exports are going. My creativity went down. Every day, night, US client is calling me. He is not caring what time it is. I'm making my people work all around the clock. I changed to domestic market. I started making handmade jewelry, bridal jewelry, where I was very at. And still at. I work on the niche. It took me 20 years to decide and fix on a path. Don't give up. Never give up. You should try. But don't try every now and then and say, no, only 6 months, it's not working, let me do another thing. For any idea, it takes 9 months to get out of your mother's womb. You can't say I'm still 100% ki jagah 200% of nutrition and you should come in 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Why are you taking 33 months? You will be called as premature. Right? So you have that period, gestation of period in your mind. You decide that. And for any industry, it is minimum 2 years. It can be 3 years also. It can be 1.5 years also. But don't give up on an idea for 2 years. That is a thumb rule. I work in a principle which is zero cost. Okay? Though it sounds very weird, the principle is zero. What are your plus? What are your minus? My minus is finance. It was always finance was my minus. So I could work on my creativity. I could work on my brain. What is that creativity? Use simple methods. Try to touch to the hearts of people because our industry, it's really happy and emotional. It connects to the emotions of the people. It's easy. If you are good at your heart, you can connect that goodness. Try to do that in simple ways. It doesn't take time. Everyone over here must be app savvy, phone savvy, right? You're not able to think, I want to be reformed. Set your standards with small steps. Very small. There are so many apps nowadays. If you go Kandani Jewels and Company on Insta, you will find my app. Or you will find, I had my app also in between. It is in Revamp. There's Instagrams. Try to create your broadcasting. Everybody knows that?
Yes.
You will start getting feedbacks. Don't fear. What will happen, Max? People will say it's good, it's bad. This is not right. It's good. Aapko without keeping any consultant, without keeping any marketing person, you are getting knowledge of the world. You should know what to take, what to leave. If you do that, if you correct it, you can be influencer. You don't need actual influencers also. You use that money, you use your money very wisely. Don't waste. Less expenses. It is not necessary. It is not necessary. If you keep a complete brand structure, then only you will earn. Because our mentality is, in our jewelry industry, 80% should be to the raw material. In other industry, it does not happen like that. That's why my first question was, do we pay for design? So when I ask, are we in the sense, are my clients ready to pay for design? If they are not ready to pay for the design, I have to shell out from my profits. I cannot add on the cost. So that is why you have to increase some of the cost, making charges free. How is it possible? It is not possible, right? It's a gimmick. Everyone knows, everyone feels happy. You can create those happy gimmicks, but that cannot be the reality. Use these Instagrams post, try to do indirect sales. Not do direct sales. Your product, this is a product, $100, not needed. There is a story, probably it is taught in management. There was a departmental store and they wanted to increase the sale of children product. Okay. How to increase the sale of the baby care products? Any idea? What can you do?
They in departmental stores they kept the beer and
Absolutely. They found that who is coming to buy the correct, the parents, mainly the fathers. Okay, fathers are interested in play. Alcohol. So what did they do?
so that's
They stacked beers with discount next to the nappy. Including. So everyone started in the aisle coming to that, I want to buy these also. They started buying. As such. So these are the gimmick. These are the disruptive ideas. You know how the Colgate sales increase, Colgate toothpaste sales increase. Everyone knows about that story, right? Yes? Someone wants to tell? I work in a principle which is zero cost. Okay, though it sounds very weird, the principle is zero. What are your plus? What are your minus? My minus is finance. It was always finance was my minus. So I could work on my creativity. I could work on my brain. What is that creativity? Use simple methods. Try to touch to the hearts of people because our industry, it's related to happy and emotional. It connects to the emotions of the people. It's easy. If you are good at your heart, you can connect that goodness. Try to do that in simple ways. It doesn't take time. Everyone over here must be app savvy, phone savvy, right? You're not able to think, I want to be unicorn. Set your standards with small steps, very small. There are so many apps nowadays. If you go Kalyani Jewels and Company on Insta, you will find my app. Or you will find, I had my app also in between. It is in revamp. These Instagrams, try to create your broadcasting. Everybody knows that. You will start getting feedbacks. Don't fear. What will happen next? People will say it's good, it's bad. This is not right. It's good. Aapko without keeping any consultant, without keeping any marketing person, you are getting knowledge of the world. You should know what to take, what to leave. If you do that, if you correct it, you can be influencer. You don't need actual influencers also. You use that money, you use your money very wisely. Don't waste. Less expenses. It is not necessary. It is not necessary. If you keep a complete brand structure, then only you will earn. Because our mentality is, in our jewelry industry, 80% should be to the raw material. in other industry, it does not happen like that. That's why my first question was, do we pay for design? So when I ask, are we in the sense, are my clients ready to pay for design? If they are not ready to pay for the design, I have to shell out from my profits. I cannot add on the cost. So that is why you have to increase some of the cost, make it charges free. How is it possible? It is not possible, right? It's a gimmick. Everyone knows, everyone feels happy. You can create those happy gimmicks, but that cannot be the reality. Use these Instagram post, try to do indirect sales. Not do direct sales. A product is a product, $100, not needed. There is a story, probably it is taught in management. There was a departmental store and I wanted to increase the sale of children product. Okay. How to increase the sale of the baby care products? Any idea? What can you do?
They in departmental stores they kept the beer and
Absolutely. They found that who is coming to buy the correct, the parents, mainly the fathers. Okay, fathers are interested in. I know. So what did they do?
That's so good.
They stack beer with discount next to the nappy. So everyone started in the aisle coming to that. Oh, I want to buy these ones. They started buying. So these are the given. These are the disruptive ideas. You know how the Colgate sales increase, Colgate toothpaste sales increase. Everyone knows about that story, right? Yes? Someone wants to tell?
Right, so thank you, Pandani, for visualizing and interactive session. Give it.
We began doing our maybe the